All right, welcome back everyone again from Montessori Center Room. I just finished reading two books, Waiting for Wings by Lois Ehlert and The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So both stories are about eggs being laid and then becoming caterpillars into a chrysalis and then emerging into a butterfly. So I'm here inside and I have some art supplies behind me from where my children have created a little workstation so that they can do their homework or their schoolwork at home rather. And I wanted to show you something that you can do to create the look of a butterfly. So as I remember showing you at the back of this book, the illustrations of butterflies, and I pointed out that they are the same on each side, which means they are symmetrical. So we're going to try something. If you take just a piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half. So I'm going to bring my screen down so you can see what I'm working on. So you can take this side and match it to this side. Like that. Hold it down. And then take that part that's up and push it down with your hand. Hold it in the middle and then push it flat. All right, so we folded a piece of paper. Now we're going to draw something. So we're going to leave it folded, get a pencil, multiple pencils, and let's see here. I'm going to use a dark color for the outline. So the side that's folded is where you want to start your drawing. So you're going to start from the top of the page and draw two large loops, almost like a heart. Or a mitten, it kind of looks like too, huh? All right, from there, we need a pair of scissors. To put my hand in the scissors, I'm going to have my thumb on top, my fingers on the bottom. So they scoop in, thumb goes on the top. Now I'm ready for cutting. So I'm going to cut along the line that I made. Open, close. I'm turning the paper with this hand. All right, so I can take this and put it in the recycling. I'm just going to put it on my table for now. Put my scissors away safely. And then I can open it up. Let's see what happened. It's exactly the same shape on each side. This is called symmetrical. All right, now I can decorate it. And if you want, you can make the same types of designs on each side. You can use pencils to draw, which most people have at home. And you can also use paint If you have that at your house, you can do 1 or 2 or 3 drops. Press it flat, and you don't even have to do 2 times of drawing. When you put the dots on and fold it back, it will become printed the exact same pattern on each side. It'll be symmetrical painting. So that's a fun activity to do, and it might take you a little bit of time to decorate your butterfly. It might take you a long time to decorate it, whatever makes you feel good. So I hope you enjoyed making butterflies, and I would love to see perhaps what you created or what's happening in your yard, things like that. You could post a comment or a picture underneath this video if you're comfortable, and if your parents or your caregiver says it's okay. All right, thank you all so much for watching.